Forfeiture is a legal process where an individual loses property or assets because of a breach of legal obligation or regulation. Forfeiture can occur in various contexts, such as non-payment of a mortgage, lease violations, or criminal activities. 1. Avoiding mortgage foreclosure. Mortgage foreclosure occurs when a homeowner fails to make mortgage payments, leading the lender to pursue legal action to repossess the property. A. Communicate with your lender. Proactive communication. Contact your lender as soon as you anticipate difficulties in making payments. Forbearance agreement. Request a forbearance agreement, which temporarily reduces or suspends payments. Loan modification. Negotiate a loan modification to change the terms of your mortgage, e.g., extending the term, reducing interest rates. B. Explore assistance programs. Government programs. Investigate government assistance programs like the Home Affordable Modification Program, HAMP, or state-specific programs. HUD counselling. Seek assistance from Housing and Urban Development, HUDI, approved counselling agencies for guidance and support. C. Refinance your mortgage. Refinancing. Refinance your mortgage to obtain a lower interest rate or reduced monthly payments. Equity loans. Consider taking out a home equity loan to consolidate debt and manage payments more effectively. D. Sell the property. Short sale. If the property's value is less than the mortgage balance, negotiate a short sale with the lender to sell the property and forgive the remaining debt. Traditional sale. Sell the property through traditional means if it retains enough value to cover outstanding mortgage amounts. 2. Avoiding lease forfeiture. Lease forfeiture occurs when a tenant violates lease terms, leading the landlord to terminate the lease and reclaim the property. A. Understand lease terms review. Lease terms. Thoroughly understand your lease agreement's terms to ensure compliance with all provisions. Cure violations. Promptly address and rectify any violations, such as unauthorized alterations or failing to maintain the property. B. Maintain communication. Notify landlord. Inform your landlord immediately if you face issues that may lead to breaches, like financial difficulties. Negotiation. Negotiate with your landlord to allow for alternate arrangements or payment plans. C. Subleasing. Sublease agreement. With the landlord's permission, sublease the property to another tenant who will pay the rent, thus avoiding forfeiture. D. Legal remedies. Seek legal aid. If you face unfair eviction or lease termination, consult a legal professional to challenge the forfeiture in court. 3. Avoiding asset forfeiture in criminal cases. Asset forfeiture can occur if assets are associated with criminal activities such as trafficking, fraud, or money laundering. A. Avoid involvement in illegal activities. Legal compliance. Ensure all personal and business activities comply with local, state, and federal laws. Due diligence. Conduct due diligence on financial transactions, business partners, and clients to avoid being implicated in criminal activities. B. Maintain accurate records. Financial documentation. Maintain accurate and transparent financial records to demonstrate legitimate sources of income and asset ownership. Audit trails. Establish clear audit trails for all transactions to verify legitimacy during audits or investigations. C. Challenge forfeiture proceedings. Legal defense. Hire an experienced attorney to challenge forfeiture proceedings and assert your property rights. Innocent owner. Defense. If applicable, assert the innocent owner defense, demonstrating that you had no knowledge of or involvement in the criminal activities associated with the assets. 4. Avoiding forfeiture of property in bankruptcy. Forfeiture of property can occur in bankruptcy if assets are liquidated to pay creditors. A. Choose the right bankruptcy. Chapter 13 versus Chapter 7. Assess whether Chapter 13 bankruptcy, restructuring debts and creating a payment plan, is preferable to Chapter 7, Liquidation of non-exempt assets. B. Claim exemptions. Utilize state and federal exemption laws to protect certain assets from liquidation during bankruptcy. C. Negotiate with creditors. Repayment plans. Work with creditors to establish manageable repayment plans outside of bankruptcy proceedings. Debt settlement. Consider negotiating settlements to pay off debts at lower amounts, thus avoiding forfeiture.